Samsung turned more than a few heads last month when it unveiled its futuristic phablet alongside the more traditional Note 4. While the latter of the two has been released in many territories around the world already, the Edge couldn't be more elusive, and now it's exclusive, for the moment, to Japan. Read on to find out our first impressions. In a move that can only be described as mind-boggling, Samsung has released the Edge here in the land of the rising sun on October 23, despite foregoing the country on the Note 4 entirely. Barring the questions of logistics, the alleged 1 million production run limit by the end of the year comes to mind. The curved phablet is available on two carriers known here, KDDIO and NTT Docomo, with the former offering a CDMA variant and the latter and larger carrier offering the more global-friendly UCMA build. It's also worth mentioning that only the Docomo variant can be unlocked for international use. Let that be a warning to any potential importers. Also note that only the black model has released, with the white variant hitting stores in mid-November. The Galaxy Note Edge is, quite frankly, the most ambitious phone Samsung has made to date. Whereas last year's Galaxy Round had a novel approach with its curved screen, it was essentially a Note 3 minus the stylus and accompanying software. Sure, it had a great AMOLED HD screen, sure it had 3GB of RAM, and it even had a trivial novelty gimmick with its rolling motion to look at the time without touching the power button. The Edge, on the other hand, feels more like a genuinely unique device. The curved side of the screen allows a great deal of functionality and customization, while at the same time providing a unique user experience unlike anything seen before. The curved side display is used for quick access to applications and notifications, but via customization options, can be altered and expanded with mini games, tools, customized messages, train information, and potentially countless numbers of features once developers start programming for it. In the few days since the release here, two new, free, options have popped up in the Galaxy Apps Store, a pair of panels from competing train schedule companies, joining the previously released Running Apps RAM Manager and a hamburger-type game. The Edge panel is, in and of itself, marvelous and at times slightly irritating. It can be customized in many different ways via the settings menu. The basic bar allows you to choose from the various applications installed on the phone and essentially replaces the home launcher row. Users can add more icons than fit on the screen at one time. To access them, one simply needs to scroll down. At the top of the Edge panel is a little tab that, when dropped down, allows the user to access quick tools such as a ruler, stopwatch, timer, flashlight, and voice recorder.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night.